Clinical dentistry is advancing by leaps and bounds. Are you advancing at the same pace in your daily practice? A lot has changed since the past 10 years. The pace of advancement in dentistry has been phenomenal. That's great for us, but it's also overwhelming. Do you wish you had a mentor who would help you in your difficult, uncertain times? I surely did. I would be lying to you if I told you that the work that I'm doing right now is the same work that I'm doing from beginning. I was, and still I am one of you all waiting for that day to take out time from my daily practice to make a fresh start at learning new stuff. I was always waiting for that perfect time, only to realize much later that there is nothing called as perfect. There is only one right time, and that time is right now. Yes, right now. Does adapting to newer techniques looks like a big hurdle which you cannot get across? Trust me, I have gone through the same and I still go through it. I am here to make it simpler for you. I teach you step by step. You put in the hard work to scale greater heights. Let's challenge our age-old methods of doing the same things year after year. Let's face it, patients come to us for our work ethics, and work skills are important, not just for the patients but also the job satisfaction that we get out of it. Don't we all love the feeling of a job well done? Time goes by, life happens. Are you the one who wants to lead your professional life with renewed passion, enthusiasm and zeal, or do you want to be someone who is happy in their comfort zone? Hi, I am Niranjan Vatkar and I am here to take you on a journey to make sure that clinical dentistry won't be the same again. I am here to change the way you think and practice clinical dentistry if you are ready to take up the challenge and do what it takes. I am here to make the change in your practice. Are you willing to take that leap? The learning curve can be steep, so let's go on this journey together.